my fellow Africans.
At home, you thought I was gone. I'm back.
Okay, let's go.
Welcome and welcome back to SegoB Breaks It Down, where we break it down one crazy thing at a time. I am SegoB, and today I'm interrupting regular program yet again because I need to rant, because there is absolutely no way, and I know some of you are wondering, what the hell is she talking about? Now, before you click off, just hear me out. There is absolutely no way as Africans on the continent and in the diaspora, there's absolutely no way that we can be so intelligent, so educated, so hardworking, so creative, and be so poor and so broke. I mean, we have become the poster children of poverty. We've become the poster children of struggle. Like, I don't get it. What is it that makes us so attached, or that attaches us so hard to poverty and struggle and strife? We are never in our soft African era, we are not entering into that era. Why are we not building? Why are we not opening businesses? Why are we not making it to the top of big corporations? Why are we not building big corporations? Why don't we own our own stories? Why don't we own our own music? Why don't we own our own museums? Why are we not building our own hospitals? Why do we not own our own banks? It is definitely not because we are incapable. I mean, the very economies and the very countries that claim to be better than us and ours were built by our ancestors for hundreds of years and by force. Well, I already know what some of you are already saying.
Not everyone can be a millionaire.
And I completely agree. Not everybody can be a millionaire. But also not everybody can live below the poverty line, which is rising, by the way. Soon, what we consider as middle class will be below the poverty line. And some of you will be saying, well, not everyone is an entrepreneur. And I also agree with that. Entrepreneurship is a calling. But also, not everyone can be unemployed. The people who are supposed to be employing other people are too scared to start. And they're scared to start because globally we have been put on the back foot. But sometimes it feels like we are not tired enough. We are not tired enough by the way we are treated. We are not tired enough by the way we are perceived. We are not tired enough by how people treat us in the world. And I'm sure we are, but it just looks like sorry. I'm sure we are, but it just looks like we are not tired enough. It's like we take away the privilege of being us from ourselves. It's really hard to work backwards, like to work already at a disadvantage, already having a certain perception of you, already having those doors closed to you. Sometimes I feel like, can we not try and get into those doors? Can we cut our own doors? Can we open our own doors? And not only do that, but also open those doors that we've cut open to others. And honestly, I am tired. I'm tired for all of us. I'm tired of seeing us struggle. I am tired of seeing us poor. I am tired of seeing us mistreated. I am tired of us having to be so defensive, having to always defend ourselves, always have to fight through systems, having to overcome. Like, it's like we are the God's strongest soldiers. And honestly, I'm tired for us. Can we enter into our soft prison era? Can we apply for jobs and get them and not be questioned whether we're competent or not? Can we go into high positions without being classified as I don't know, we call it BEE, but like a DEI, BEE sort of higher. We cannot let the village people win. We cannot let those who believe that we are less right. We cannot afford that. Our responsibility is greater than us being examples. It is to make a way where there is no way, like we have for centuries. We need to realize the giants of yesterday are the mountains of today that have solidified so that we can stand on them and see far further than they did yesterday.
We come from market standing on the pillars of our hands. Hands that weigh rice and soap with the precision of destiny. From streets that knows our names and stalls held together by unity of community. We come from women who bargain tomorrow with baskets of tomatoes. From cocoa-stained fingers and ledgers written in faith, the size of a city. We come from cities built on the backbones of our mothers. Mothers who whispered prayers into dawn and hope into coins that barely clink. Mothers who think solutions that sustains generations. Planting seeds that grow faster than fear and goods that travel quicker than air. From shelf to street to supper, it's clear that here, capital isn't intervention. It is ignition. It is the difference between one stall and a supply chain, between one corn and a field of grain, between profit and small gain, and yet they try to stop us, try to paper cut these goals and seize control with cut dates and closed doors, built walls of fear to tear our dreams and stagger our means, but still we rise to the occasion, rise above the limitation with determination. For when women gain opportunity, it grows into sustainability, it multiplies into school fees, into steady shelves, into children who sleep without hunger and wake without fear, for fear did not build this future. Women did. A future where loans can turn into logistics, where margins can turn into milestones, where sustainability can grow roots that can crack concrete ceilings. A future funded by courage, from America to Africa, from Georgia to Ghana, from Atlanta to Accra and to the most distant part of the world. This is not charity, this is clarity, this is relief built on the belief with a balanced sheet. This is reminder that Africa's next millionaires and billionaires are already eligible for the future. For we are Fearless Fund Africa, and this is Fearless Currency, multiplying.
So let's stop fighting and let's stop bringing each other down. Let's stop sending wizards and village people to each other. Let's be tired together of the status quo, because there is absolutely no way. Okay, well, that's it from me. Thank you for listening to my rant if you got this far. If you want to rant in the comment section. The comment section is open for you. Don't forget to roll it. Like, subscribe, share, and join us next time when we break it down one crazy thing at a time. Bye guys.